Hi, my name is Beth Dando and I am a public service lecturer here at Torfaen Learning Zone.
My name's Gareth Betts, I'm sports coordinator for Torfaen Learning Zone. We run our courses here at Cwmbrân Stadium in collaboration with Torfaen Leisure Trust.
The course will be run at our new Torfaen Learning Zone with the fantastic facilities that are now available here. And we'll also be conducting our practical sessions down at Cwmbrân Stadium.
We've got a great 3G facility. We run all our football programmes and practical sports lectures. We also got a running track, brand new AstroTurf, swimming pool, fitness suite with strength conditioning equipment inside, a mobility area, along with a double sports hall. We also work in collaboration as well with the University of South Wales and Cardiff Met.
There's a fantastic relationship between the staff at Torfaen Learning Zone and Cwmbrân Stadium, and it's all about putting the learner first, giving them the best experience with the best facilities available.
Book onto our courses as quick as you can and you're guaranteed a place then ready for September. And looking forward to seeing you soon.